Sometimes you want to be able to give your users the ability to zoom in and out on a particular chart, like this. Notice how I give them the option with a parameter to either zoom in or zoom back out. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. I'm connected to our Superstore dataset. The first thing I'm going to do is create a parameter. In the data pane, click on the drop-down triangle and create a new parameter. I'm going to call it my zoomie. My data type is going to be a string. In the allowable values section, choose list. I'm going to just enter yes and no. Click on OK. And right-click on that parameter and choose show parameter. And I'm going to change this to be a single value list to make it more intuitive for my users. Now let's build the chart. I'm going to right-click and drag order date to the columns, and I'll pick continuous months and click on OK. Let's right-click and drag quantity to the rows, and I'm going to pick average quantity. This is going to let me know what is the average order size in each month. But notice how everything is in a little band between 3.5 and 4. It makes it a bit difficult sometimes to see the trends. So what I want my users to do, and this is what I'm going to show you how to do, is to be able to zoom in on this chart. So I'm going to create a new calculated field, and I'm going to call this my zoomer. My calculation is if my zoomie parameter is equal to no, then I want it to be 0, and then end. I don't want it to do anything if they choose yes. Click on OK, and we're going to drag that onto the detail shelf. And then on the analytics pane, drag on a reference line for the average quantity for the table. And in my value, I'm going to go ahead and choose the zoomer. I'm going to turn my label off. I'm going to turn my tooltip off, and I'm going to set my line to none. Uncheck the show recalculated values and click on OK. So there's actually a reference line down here on 0. We just can't see it, and that's part of the trick. Now, in order to make this work, I need to right-click on my axis and edit the axis, and I need to uncheck include 0. And notice what happened. My chart zoomed in. And now if I change my zooming to no, it zooms back out. Choose yes, and it zooms back in. And this works no matter what I have in the view. I can drag category to the rows, and there we go. Set it to no, and everything zooms back out, and yes, and it zooms back in. And that's how I allow my users to zoom in on a chart. Quite simple, right? Well, in the comments, let me know what you liked best about this video. It helps me create better content for you with every video. And if you like this, check out nextleveltableau.com/accelerator, and you'll get access to my free 30-day Tableau course. Have a good day.